Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chrysler 300 side view mirror. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the parking brake engaged. Gather your new mirror assembly, a screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal first. This simple step prevents any electrical shorts or unexpected power surges during the replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old mirror. Using your trim removal tool, carefully pry off the interior door panel. This reveals the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connection. Locate and disconnect the electrical harness from the mirror assembly. Then, unscrew the 3 or 4 bolts holding the mirror in place. Once these are removed, you can gently pull the old mirror away from the door. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, making sure the bolt holes align perfectly. Insert and firmly tighten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts to secure it. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector to power up your mirror's functions. A quick test of the adjustments and heating elements now saves time later. You're almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap into place and screws are tightened. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore full power to your Chrysler 300. Take a moment to verify all mirror functions, including power adjustments, turn signals, and heating. Finally, give the mirror a gentle shake to confirm it's securely mounted and wobble-free.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.